Every loaf begins with carefully selected wheat grown for consistent baking.
Record this tray at 98%.
American wheat fields supply the strong flour required for sandwich bread.
Growth looks uniform all the way to the north section.
Healthy roots draw balanced nutrients from carefully managed Midwestern soil. Log this depth and compare the south plot. Precision irrigation protects grain development during demanding summer growing conditions.
The west span is holding at the correct pressure.
Field sensors help farmers track moisture, temperature, and crop health.
Wind increased overnight, but the roots still have enough moisture.
Upload the readings before we inspect the east block.
Wind strengthens wheat stalks, while sunlight builds valuable grain carbohydrates.
Mature fields turn golden when kernels reach ideal harvest moisture. Let's start with the north section after inspection. Base mills. The kernel's layered structure determines flour quality and baking performance. The endosperm is dense and the bran is well formed. Strong protein networks later give sandwich bread its resilient crumb.
Protein is within the range for strong bread flour.
Run a second test to confirm the protein result. Natural starches provide structure, energy, and gentle sweetness during baking. The starch is uniform. The starch is no visible weather damage. Cultured yeast transforms sugars into gas that lifts every loaf.
This culture is ready for the next propagation stage.
Crystal size is uniform and free of visible contamination. Seal this sample and approve the lot. Salt strengthens gluten, balances flavor, and regulates fermentation throughout production. Veteran operators inspect grain heads before releasing harvesting equipment forward.
Moisture is stable, the grain is ready to cut.
Start slowly and confirm the first grain sample.
Modern combines cut, thresh, and clean wheat in one pass.
Header height looks good across this section. The cut is clean, maintain this speed.
Losses are low, but increase fan speed slightly. Fan speed adjusted, watch the next yield reading.
Collected grain moves steadily into carts without interrupting the harvest.
Move 6 inches left and hold this pace.
Cart position is good, continue to the row end. Skilled workers sample freshly harvested kernels for moisture and cleanliness.
Moisture is acceptable, and foreign material...
Covered trucks protect harvested wheat before its journey toward milling. Weight is balanced. Finish loading and secure the cover. Secure both sides before the driver leaves the field. Field crews consolidate grain loads before preparing them for commercial transport.
Keep block 12 separate until the source check is complete.
Source-level cleaning removes oversized debris before wheat enters highway trailers. Reduce the feed slightly until this heavier section clears. Increase airflow slightly without lifting the sound kernels. Portable screens separate loose straw while preserving valuable intact kernels.
The clean stream
Moisture is stable enough for covered highway transport. Accurate moisture checks prevent spoilage during storage and long-distance transportation. Documented field lots maintain traceability from harvest through final bread production.
This shipment is documented and ready for trailer preparation. High-capacity augers transfer grain quickly while minimizing kernel damage.
Hold this rate to protect the kernels from impact.
The center is even, move the stream forward now.
Balanced loading protects trailer stability and keeps highway transport safer.
Front axle balance is correct, finish the final section.
Experienced drivers verify brakes, seals, tires, and shipping documents carefully.
Lights are working, the shipment is cleared to depart.
Rain is light, but confirm your cover remains tight.
The seal and tarp indicators are normal. Continuous monitoring keeps grain dry and stable throughout changing weather.
Gate staff verifies shipment identity before directing trucks toward receiving.
The shipment matches the registered field lot and delivery winds. Receiving teams inspect seals before accepting each traceable wheat shipment.
The seal is intact, and the trailer shows...
Certified truck scales record exact incoming weight for inventory control.
Gross weight recorded, remain stopped for sampling instructions.
Automated probes collect representative grain samples from several trailer depths. The composite sample is complete and ready for testing. Rapid laboratory tests confirm moisture, protein, cleanliness, and grain safety.
Moisture and protein meet specification, with no safety concerns detected.
Controlled unloading moves approved wheat in protected receiving systems efficiently.
Flow is stable, keep the discharge gate at...
Enclosed conveyors carry incoming wheat toward the first intensive cleaning stage.
The belt is centered, and the bearings remain...
Powerful magnets remove hidden metal fragments before milling equipment is reached.
Magnet performance is normal. Release the stream to aspiration. Air separators lift lightweight chaff while heavier wheat continues forward. Increase suction slightly, but keep every sound kernel descending.
Precision destoners separate dense field stones from sound wheat kernels.
Reject quality is correct. Maintain the current deck angle.
Pulling.
Optical sorters reject discolored kernels using rapid camera-based inspection systems.
The cameras are removing dark.
Clean wheat receives measured water before controlled conditioning begin inside tempering bins.
Add 2/10 more water for this harder wheat.
Tempering moisture toughens bran while softening the starchy endosperm inside.
The bran is tougher, and the endosperm has softened evenly. The bran should peel cleanly during the first break pass. Conditioned wheat rests evenly before entering the mill's break system. Approve this batch for the first break line.
Automated scales meter consistent wheat quantities into each milling line.
Both lines are receiving identical.
First lines are exact quantities.
Final pre-milling checks protect machinery and preserve flour consistency daily.
All protective systems are active. Release wheat to the rolls.
Corrugated break rolls open wheat kernels without crushing bran
The
excessively.
kernels are opening cleanly without excessive bran shredding.
Roll gap is correct. Maintain the current differential speed.
Land sifters separate milled particles by size after every roller pass.
The flour outlet is flowing evenly with no screen blockage.
Purifiers use air and vibration to isolate clean semolina particles.
Increase the center air slightly to remove those remaining bran specks. Reduction rolls gradually transform purified endosperm into fine white flour.
The flour is fine, cool, and free from visible.
Every pass removes more endosperm while keeping bran fragments controlled.
Bran flakes leave separately for approved food and feed applications.
Route this clean bran to the designated storage bin.
Pneumatic tubes move flour gently between enclosed processing stages continuously. The destination valve is confirmed for bread flour blending. Automated blending combines flour streams to meet bread specifications precisely.
The protein target is matched. Collect the confirmation sample.
The screen is intact, and the flour stream remained clean.
Mesh inspection passed. Release the blend to storage. Finished bread flour is tested for protein, moisture, and performance. Performance.
Bulk silos preserve approved flour until bakery production schedules require delivery.
Assign this lot to the 11 o'clock bakery shipment. Pneumatic loading transfers flour into sealed tankers without exposing product.
Food-grade tankers carry flour safely from mill to industrial bakery.
Receiving Bay 2 is open for your scheduled delivery.
Copy. The flour compartments remain sealed and secure. Freshness.
All seals match, and the approved lot is correctly assigned.
Receiving crews verify tanker seals before.
Bakery laboratories confirm flour performance before high-speed dough production begins.
Release this lot to the scheduled sandwich bread line.
Chernson. Automated systems weigh flour and minor ingredients with repeatable precision.
Every ingredient must.
Water temperature is adjusted to control final dough development precisely.
Temperature is stable. Send the measured water volume now.
Yeast, salt, sugar, and conditioners are dosed in exact proportions.
All minor ingredients match the approved production formula.
Measured ingredients enter powerful mixers in a carefully controlled sequence.
All ports are closed. Advance to the programmed mixing cycle.
High-speed mixing develops gluten rapidly for strong, uniform sandwich bread dough.
Gluten is developing as the dough.
The gluten film is strong, flexible, and ready for discharge.
Elastic gluten films confirm the dough can re-fermentation gas.
Finished dough leaves the mixer smoothly for controlled resting and dividing. Discharge speed is matched to prevent stretching or tearing the dough. A brief rest relaxes dough before accurate high-speed portioning begins. Rest time is complete. Maintain steady divider feed.
Consistent hopper pressure supports precise dough weights at high production speeds.
Stable hopper pressure keeps every dough piece close to target weight.
Calibrated dividers create uniform dough portions for consistently sized finished loaves. Each chamber releases an equal portion without damaging developed gluten.
Inline scales reject off-weight pieces before they affect loaf consistency.
Only pieces inside the approved range continue toward rounding.
Rounding builds surface tension and organizes dough for later molding.
The surfaces are smooth. Maintain the current cone speed.
Intermediate proofing relaxes rounded dough before intensive final shaping begins.
This short relaxation prevents tearing during final sheeting and molding.
Sheeting and molding create tight cylinders with evenly distributed gas cells.
Seam placement is centered. Maintain the current molding pressure.
Automatic panning centers shaped dough before final controlled proofing begins.
Each shaped piece must sit centered before final proofing begins.
Final proofing expands each dough piece under carefully controlled warm humidity.
Humidity is stable, and the dough height is developing evenly.
Proof dough reaches precise height before entering the high-speed oven.
Entry height is consistent across the active lane.
High-speed ovens apply staged heat for volume, structure, and crust. Zone 3 color is stable. Maintain the current belt speed.
Steam delays crust formation so loaves expand full during baking.
Steam flow is correct. Begin the programmed reduction.
Rapid cooling stabilizes crumb structure before loaves reach slicing equipment.
Exit temperature is falling on schedule.
Inspectors verify loaf, height, color, shape, and surface condition continuously.
The crown is symmetrical.
Automated vision systems detect misshapen loaves and uneven crust color. Review the pale loaf and confirm oven zone history.
Precise check weighers confirm every loaf meets its declared product weight. Only loaves meeting finished weight requirements continue toward slicing.
Metal detection protects consumers by identifying hidden conductive contaminants quickly. The system detected the standard and confirmed the reject response. Veteran inspectors evaluate crumb softness, symmetry, and internal cell structure.
The crumb is uniform, resilient, and free from structural defects.
Compression testing confirms bread rebounds gently without becoming dense or fragile.
Springiness remains within the approved freshness target.
Color standards ensure every production run maintains familiar golden crust.
The target loaves match both visual and instrumental.
Slice inspections reveal consistency across the loaf from end to end.
Center and end slices show matching crumb density.
Taste panels check aroma, flavor, softness, and overall sandwich performance.
The crumb feels soft without becoming sticky.
The traceability records connect every finished loaf to ingredients and equipment.
All process records are complete and correctly linked.
Laboratories measure moisture to predict freshness and expected shelf stability. The moisture result matches the approved production range.
Texture analyzers quantify
softness, resilience, and change during controlled storage.
Microbiological testing verifies sanitation controls throughout bread production and packaging. Environmental results remain within the established limits.
Laboratory baking trials confirm flour and process consistency before release.
The retained flour reproduces the expected volume.
Approved loaves receive final preparation before entering synchronized packaging equipment.
Release status is active. Send these loaves toward final preparation.
Slicing blades cut cooled loaves into uniform sandwich-ready portions quickly. Blade tension is stable, and slice thickness remains consistent.
Guide systems preserve slice alignment before bags receive each complete loaf.
Alignment is centered. Maintain the current guide pressure.
Compressed air removes loose crumbs from packaging transfer surfaces safely. Filter pressure is normal. Maintain the gentle cleaning setting. Final product checks confirm slicing quality before automated bagging begins.
Slice count, alignment, and loaf condition. Synchronized pushers slide sliced loaves gently into waiting protective bags. Insertion force remains low enough to protect every delicate slice.
Bag sensors verify complete insertion before each package moves forward.
The sensors prevent incomplete filling from reaching.
Air management prevents bag collapse and protects delicate bread slices. Bag profile is correct. Maintain the current belt pressure.
Line operators maintain steady spacing across multiple packaging lanes continuously. Balanced lane speeds keep closure equipment continuously supplied without congestion.
Automated controls synchronize slicing, bagging, and conveyor speeds precisely together.
Every connected machine must accelerate.
Inline inspection confirms every loaf sits correctly inside its bag.
Closure clearance is confirmed across the accepted packages. Twist ties close bread bags while preserving convenient consumer access.
The closure is secure while remaining easy for consumers to reopen.
Heat sealing creates tamper-evident closures on selected bread packages securely.
Seal temperature is stable. Maintain the current dwell time.
8 coders print clear production and best buy information automatically daily.
The printed lot code matches today's released production order.
Vision cameras confirm every printed code remains readable and complete.
Code contrast is stable across all active lanes.
Label applicators position product information
consistently on every surface. Final package checks verify seals, codes, labels, and loaf position.
The accepted package stream is cleared for case packing. Case packers arrange finished bread bags into protective shipping cartons.
Pack count and loaf orientation are both correct. Sealed cartons receive identification labels before automated palletizing begins immediately.
Case identification is confirmed for the assigned pallet lane.
Sensors.
Automated palletizers stack bread cases securely for stable warehouse handling.
Alternate case orientation stretch wrapping protects completed pallets from shifting, dust, and moisture.
Film tension must stabilize cases without bending the carton walls. Pallet labels connect every shipping unit with complete production records.
Pallet identity matches the released bread lot and case count. Warehouse scanners assign each pallet to its correct storage location.
The system selects an accessible location based on finished bread moves quickly because freshness depends on efficient logistics.
This production lot is assigned to today's outbound schedule.
Organized storage lanes keep fresh bread accessible for rapid dispatch.
Position 12 is confirmed and ready for order allocation.
Temperature monitoring protects packaged bread throughout short warehouse storage periods.
Temperature and humidity remain steady across the active storage zone. Inventory systems rotate older production lots towards shipping doors first.
First produced bread must leave first to protect customer freshness. Order selectors build customer loads using verified case quantities accurately. The selected pallet matches the customer order exactly.
Mixed delivery pallets are arranged to minimize handling and compression. First stop cases are positioned for quick, safe unloading. Final warehouse inspections confirm pallet stability, labels, and order accuracy.
Inspection passed. Move this load to Dock 4. Staged outbound pallets await refrigerated or ambient delivery vehicles safely. Keep each load inside its marked lane until the trailer is cleared.
Loading plans distribute pallet weight evenly across delivery truck floors. Load according to the approved front-to-rear sequence. Shipment seals preserve order security between bakery and distribution centers.
All pallets are secured without pressure against the bread cartons. Drivers receive verified routes, delivery windows, and handling instructions digitally.
Store deliveries arrive early so shelves can be stocked promptly.
All bread cases are accepted for immediate stocking.
Vigors. Fresh stock is rotated by today's remaining approved packages.
Mass-produced sandwich bread reaches consumers